Causes of snoring during sleep. Being overweight puts pressure around the throat, making breathing difficult. Tumor in the airway can block airflow and cause snoring. A deviated nasal bone, deviated septum, can disturb normal airflow. Enlarged adenoids can narrow the airway. Nasal polyps can block airflow inside the nose. Swollen throat muscles can narrow the airway during sleep. Tumor at the back of the tongue can obstruct breathing and cause snoring. Take care of your health to stay healthy.